Hey guys, it's your boy Dabet again, Jesus' boy that trades, and today is Sunday. And as I promised in my last video, that one of the things we'll be doing on this channel is I'll be sharing the analysis, weekly analysis on this channel. I'll be sharing my view on the currency pairs that I trade, which is Gbpusd and SAE. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you my analysis for this week. This is like first week in November. Today is 5th, so that means market will be opening by 10 p.m. this night. So I'll be sharing with you my analysis, what I feel, what I think the market should do based on analysis. We'll be checking it together, and I want you to stay tuned to this channel. If this is your first time checking out my channel, please kindly use the subscription button, put on the post notification, and let's do this together. Don't forget to like this video as well. All right, so let me share my screen with you. One thing I love to do most times is if I want to do analysis on weekly basis like this, I would love to start for the fact that we just even enter a new month. Oh, that reminds me, happy new month, guys. Okay, for the fact that we even enter a new month, I would love to start from a monthly time frame, the higher time frame, then we will come down to the lower time frame. So we'll be checking monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame. So let's add it up. Let's start with the monthly time frame. All right, this monthly time frame, you can see something like this. You see where the market is. Overall trend is looking like a downtrend, right? You say, yeah, where is this guy seeing this? All right, let me plot it out for you. This is it. Let's make use of the trend line here. All right, so principle of trend line is it was just have two tops or two bottoms or two peak, as like some people call it, or two trough. So want to plot mine like this. Amazing. So that makes it a value trend line because it already has two touches. Yes, this is the first touch here. This is the first touch here, and this is around November 2007. This I that happened to be our first touch here happened November 2007. No, October 2007. And here now is the second touch. Is our second touch that we decided to use. Let me make the trend touch it very well. Yeah, exactly. So these are second touch. These are second touch, which happened around June 2021. And and this is the third touch here that happened July this year. This third touch happened July this year. So like GBP on this monthly time frame is still looking very bearish, right? It's still looking like a downtrend. All right. Haven't seen that. We go straight to. We are still trying to check the overall trend here. We go to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame as well is showing us the same thing like that. Let me just zoom out. Yeah, so you can see the weekly time frame too is showing the same thing, like we are still on a downtrend. The market is very bearish, like we're on a downtrend. The market is still showing a very bearish trend. You can see now this is the first touch we created on our monthly time frame. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, and you can see this is the third touch. Now, like you see, market is still respecting the trend. Market is still respecting the trend. All right, so let's move on and check the daily time frame as well. That is, this is one of the things we just have to do first before we start. Okay, what do we now want to do? What do we think the market like to do this week? Okay, daily time frame, because we have a lot of information to display on a daily time frame like this, we can't see more than this. But obviously, if you want to use plot another trend line here to just check the recent trends, even daily time frame is still showing us something like a bearish trend as well. This is first touch. We decide to use this as this will make it the second touch, and we draw it to the future. Second touch. So you see that market touched this trend line here, which happens to this same level with the monthly trend line. The moment market touched it, price started falling. Came back to this, which is around the weekly time frame again. Price reacted from here and started falling again. Then I'm seeing another trend here, and this is it. We have the first touch here, and we plot it here. We also have the second touch here. So you see, it's getting very interesting now. Okay, so you said this one is valid and this one is valid as well because it has two touches already. All right, so having seen that, okay, what do we think? So we'll now begin to check zones, like we'll check zones on each of the time frame, because a monthly time frame is actually a very big time frame. But yeah, let's go there and let's just check something there. Let's go there and let's just check something there. Okay, let me reset this. See, okay, so although let me delete this daily one, we'll come back to it. All right, so although, yeah, like you said, this is a very, you see the way the last monthly candle closed, right? It closed more like a rejection. Do you see it? A rejection. Although the market is still showing that the overall trend on the monthly time frame is still what? Is still bearish, like it's still a downtrend. This last month, which is October month candle, see the way it's closed. It's closed like a rejection, like a pain bar. You see, like this, like indecision in the market. We don't know, maybe these sellers are in control, the buyers are in control. So it's showing us like it's likely, it's more like showing like a reversal pattern, but then we'll check lower time frame now, which is the base of the time frame we mostly use, which we'll be using the most for our analysis, which is weekly time frame. So let's check weekly time frame. Wow, do you see how weekly time frame closed last week? See this strong bullish momentum. You see the strong bullish momentum is telling us the power of the buyers in this market. It closed very bullish, engulfing the whole candle of previous week, engulfing it, and the other, more like it engulfed like, yeah, it engulfed like 1 2 3 4 5 previous week's candle. Say it engulfed the candle that has been forming since September 23rd till last week. It's telling us like there is a momentum in the market already. You get right, there's a momentum in the market already. So let's now check the zones that we have, and this is how I plot my own zone. I make use of the close of the candle, and to get that done easily, I make use of my line. So the reason why I love using line is because what the line does is it only prints the close of each candle. So it makes it, I only want to see the close, the information that has to do with the close of the candle. Okay, so I won't say that. So let's plot our zone. Okay, so yes, I think I have it here. You can see something like this blue line. Let me change this blue to another color. Let me change the color. Let me change the color to this. Yes, so that one, yeah. So I have three zones here. This is the first one. You see the moment when market was like started this downtrend, you see we have something like this, and got here, like there's a kind of a reaction that makes this place a zone, and that's how it does my things. And you see this one, this is a zone, and this is the zone that prices has been reacting from for the past 5 weeks, like we saw. This is the zone. Why? Because you see this zone is a very strong zone here. Is a strong resistance here, and since the market has broken it here and it has become a resistance, it was a support here. The moment market broke it here and it became a resistance since 23rd of September, the market has been very strong. I mean, anytime price comes here, market goes down. Let me show it to you. You see here, the moment price came here around October, what happened? So like it went down, it sold all the way back to this level, So this is the zone I want us to concentrate on the weekly time frame now. So what now happened? Last week market broke this weekly time frame. You see what? And market closed above it. All right, so that is telling us that something very interesting is happening already. For market to have closed above it, it seems like on a smaller time frame, which is a weekly time frame, which is small in comparison to a monthly time frame, it seems we are going to be bullish this week. Yes, it seems like we are going to be bullish this week. All right, so haven't seen that as well. So I plot this, and this is the recent zone that it broke from. This zone has been there since October 23rd. So the market took it out October 23rd week. Market took it out last week and closed very strong above it. The resistance, it broke it above it. So two things are likely with this now. Okay, let me just weekly. So we already have an idea, like it's more like this week we will be buying on GU. So now let's go to daily time frame and daily time frame, because if you are saying that we'll be buying on GU weekly time frame, selling while buying on GU, we have obstacles on the daily time frame. I will tell you things around that later. So we are just doing analysis this week. So now daily time frame. Now let me use candlesticks. Okay, so now daily time frame as well. You see this zone. Let me try and plot out the zones. Let me try and plot out the zones too. Let's make it an array. Which color should I use here? Let me go to my line chart. So I mapped out almost about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like zones that are very recent to the market that we can expect to have reactions from this week. Okay, don't forget we are using like the purple line chart for our weekly time frame. This is it. Yeah, let me just put it in now. So this, which is this, and this other red for our daily time frame. All right, so I haven't seen this like this. So you see the way market, don't forget our market broke the recent resistance on the weekly time frame. Market broke it and it closed above it, and you see the daily time frame as well. You see the same thing happened. It's like it pierced the daily resistance here as well. It pierced it, and another thing is that looking like a double bottom here. You see, let me draw something like this for you. It's looking like a double bottom here. Market has been coming down here. Market reversed here, went up here, came back all the way to this place, and this place it break out, like the break out of this neckline, breaking out. So I haven't seen this now. So it's more like we will be concluding kind of like market should do what market should buy this week. But is it like market is going to open and start going up? And if market is buying, where are the likely places to react from? All right, and that's why I'll be showing you these things using the daily time frame. Okay, let's check this. This is the recent high, and you know, like the break and retest principle in forex market. Now after this zone has been broken, it should retest this zone before doing what? Before going up. So it's likely that we have something like this to this daily zone, the one that we drew here, this daily zone. It's likely why we have something like this, and you know, it's psychological level. Yes, and that those are my trend line here. Yes, they are psychological levels. Psychological level are levels that when market gets to, it tends to react for. They are round up O number. I will talk about it in one of my content. I will drop that for you later. All right, so this is a psychological level here, which is very close to a daily zone. So seeing this, market is likely going to come here, react from this place, then go continue on a bullish trend, likely to this zone, or to this zone, which is around 1.24588, or to this zone, or to this, all the way to this weekly zone here, which is around 1.2588, which is close to a psychological level 1.26019. Yes, it's likely the market is gonna do that this week, and market might not get to this zone, but it's obvious with the look of this that market will get to this nearest daily zone here. We are obviously, market will obviously get to this place or this place this week, which is 1.25019. So I've given you an insight already to the GU market this week. What should be expecting with GBPUSD this week is market should buy. So whenever you see the time, whenever in the market this week, whenever you see market goes down like this, like going down, you should do what? You should position yourself to buy. And how you get that? This is just, you know, this is an higher time frame. So to look for your entries, obviously you will do this same way you do it to a lower time frame, yes. I'm a day trader, and I'll be trading this on daily basis. So at the close of every day, what I'll be doing with this same principle, I'll just come to my daily time frame. How did the market close? Okay, which level did the market reacted from? And I will draw again. Okay, because obviously in this week we are still going to sell. Yes, we may still take opportunity of the sales, but if you want to stay the overall trend here with what we have seen for this week is market should be bullish. Market will be bullish. So you should prepare yourself to do what? To long GU, to long GU, to long GU, to long GU this week. So this week, make sure you smash the market. Make sure you press, you go long and increase that lot size. Life is too short. Like one of my friends used to say, life is too short. Increase that lot size, yeah, and go on a bullet. But ensure that it's with a proper risk management. Yes, I don't joke with that. I don't joke with risk management. We use a proper risk management. Let me just check 4 hours briefly. Let's see if I can pick something for you. Okay, and so like I said, like just expect that it's likely the market is going to come to this zone, react from this zone, or even get to this place here in a 4 hour time frame, to this zone here. It's likely, yeah, the market will push down all the way to this place first. Yes, this place first before what? Going up. So but to buy GBP USD this week, and let's cash out from the market this week. Okay, I hope this helps you and has given you an insight of what the market is going to do, is likely going to do this week. All right, keep it peeping, guys. I love you. It's your boy again, Dabe, the Jesus' boy that treats. All right, take care. Bye.